5 Best SATA Cables. Here is the product number 5. USB 3.0 to SATA Power Adapter. USB 3.0 to SATA Power Adapter for 3.5-inch HDD 2.5-inch SSD hard disk with 12 volts to AC/DC power adapter. Brand name eYield. Model number USB 3.0 to SATA. Type SATA cables. This adapter accept 2.5/3.5-inch SATA HDD or SSD. Here is the product number 4. ULT-Best SATA Power Cable Splitter Molex. ULT-Best SATA Power Cable Splitter Molex 4-pin to serial auto 15-pin X2 male-female Y hard drive cables 15 cm. Type Molex 4-pin male. Feature Molex to SATA splitter cable. Function Molex to SATA power cable. Function 2: used for PC power cable. Type 2: SATA 15-pin power cable. Length. Here is the product number 3. Adapter SATA 3 USB 3.0 cable. Adapter SATA 3 USB 3.0 cable external hard drive USB to serial auto 22-pin converter hard disk W/ASP for 2.5 inches HDD, SSD. Brand name eYield. Type SATA cables. Model number USB to SATA. Products status stock. Here is the product number 2. Ugreen SATA cable 3.0 to hard disk drive. Ugreen SATA cable 3.0 to hard disk drive SSD HDD SATA 3 straight right angle cable for ASUS MSI GB motherboard cable SATA. Brand name Ugreen. Type SATA cables. Model number US217. Feature SATA cable 3.0. Feature 1: HDD SATA. Feature 2: SSD SATA. Here is the product number 1. USB 3.0 to SATA adapter converter cable. USB 3.0 to SATA adapter converter cable 22-pin SATA II/USB 3.0 adapters for 2.5 inches SATA HDD SSD. Brand name Indo. Type SATA cables. Color black SATA cable. Interface USB 3.0 to SATA 3 cables. Length about 20 cm. Suitable SSD HDD. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.